Yeah, what's it going? How's it going, guys? We got a pretty decent spot right here. I don't know if you can tell. We are right outside the Hungry Jacks over there. And we got the Red Rooster right in front of us. Okay, and like I said last video, the McDonald's and Taco Bell KFC is going to be on that side, so left the Red Rooster. But yeah, that's like in the future. Anyway, it is raining, as you could tell. Weather's not really good. Man, is the camera lighting good? Fuck it. Alright, so anyway, we got a Baconator Deluxe today. I was contemplating whether or not to, get onion rings too, but this is actually my second meal of the day, actually full meal of the day. I probably should have ordered extra onion rings, because right now it's like around 4:30. In the morning, I just had like some fucking cereal, and that was at 11:30. So, first actual meal of the day, because I'm having it outside because I'm going to gonna go work. I'm gonna go to work. So, if I'm still hungry, I'll probably stop by McDonald's. But yeah, we got a Baconator Deluxe now. I just wanted to try it, honestly. Don't have big high hopes for it though, because yeah, it definitely does not look like it does in the pictures, I'll tell you that much. Look how fucking flat it is, despite it have two patties. And you can tell it is not like a big burger because it's wrapped in this rather than the actual boxes. But yeah, it's raining. I don't know if you guys can hear how rainy it is. Try to get the thumbnail real quick. It looks pretty good though. Pretty appetizing. Man, I'm trying to get this. Why does it always keep focusing on me? Stop, dude. Like, alright. Fuck it. Yeah, that's good enough. Ow. Alright. But yeah. My previous videos have been delayed. I haven't uploaded any of them. But, Baconator, okay. I got some nice Coke with no sugar here. To wash it down. Unfortunately, I forgot. This is the fucking retard. I mean, this is the bad Hungry Jacks, and it keeps spilling, dude. It keeps spilling along the sides, even though the caps are right. The caps are like good. Made a bit of a mess, but that's alright. Yeah, Hungry Jacks is like Burger King in Australia. This is the Baconator Deluxe. I don't know how simple it is, similar it is to America's, but tomato, 4 rashers of bacon apparently, cheese, 2 patties, lettuce, mayo, tomato. Did I say tomato? I think that's pretty much it. Is that ketchup? I don't think so. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Apparently this was called the Modern Warfare 3. I can't remember. The Modern Warfare meal. But yeah, like I said, my videos are getting delayed because I started working and I haven't been bothered uploading them at all. Look, the steam coming up. You can't see that. The camera can't capture that, but I can see the steam. It's pretty fresh. They made it really fast. I was going to do some drive-through footage, but there were actually a lot of cars. Nah, maybe like 3 in front of me. I had to wait a bit, but like, I didn't have to wait that long. The service was really fast. But we're back in my local. But yeah, I believe this is the 4th video in a row where I just haven't even uploaded yet. I will probably do that tomorrow. The earliest video that I haven't uploaded is like happened a week ago. Yeah, a week ago from today when I first started my job. So haven't been bothered uploading it. I had time, but I just can't be bothered. Also because, like I said, nobody's really interacting with my content, so want to see more, like, sub, but mostly comment. And check out my other channels. It's raining really bad. Holy. It just started raining really bad. It's not too bad though. There's definitely a lot of bacon on this. Yeah, it's pretty good. Personally, my favorite burger here. My favorite burgers at Hungry Jack's is, well, the one that's always on the menu is the Angry Whopper. Angry onion rings and jalapenos. That's my go-to Whopper. I also like some of their limited edition ones, like the Smokehouse, the Whiskey Whopper, and the Cowboy Whopper as well. That was like 2 years ago. And also, they had a really good burger called the Fiery Angus. That was basically like the Angry Whopper, just it was better though. They had a special bun for that. It wasn't a red bun. It wasn't a sesame seed bun either. It was like soured. I can't explain it. If you search for it online, you will see what I'm talking about there. The Fiery Angus. I like this view. I like this park. Whenever I come here, I've parked everywhere here. This is my local place, Red Rooster Hungry Jack's, where I always go. I parked there, in front of us, in front of our rooster. I parked to the right there, over like that way. I've also parked behind us, where you see that car's there. Everywhere. Except the front. There's also another park in the front, actually. So far, this is my favorite because I can see everywhere. I can see the Red Rooster. I see the Hungry Jack's. I can see the cars going down the road. Gotta be careful. Ah. You guys hear that? Massive truck over there. Hmm. 10 minutes recorded. This will be my shortest video to date. And my camera's flashing red, which means the battery is going to soon. Finished the burger so fast, there's so many chips left. But yeah, if you haven't already, go check out my last video, the burrito one. Because I'm sure I'll upload that before this one. In order, chronological order, of course. That video was where I talked a lot. That's why the video was pretty long, 20-something minutes. I talked a long time though. About my job, about everything, so I don't have too much to talk about today. That was yesterday. No, that was 2 days ago. But yeah, if I'm feeling peckish, which I probably will feel a bit hungry later tonight, I might stop by McDonald's. It's literally on the way back home. Like literally I can just drive in there and it's so convenient. It's like one of those, it's not a gas station. It's not a highway that I'm passing through, but think of it as convenient as like a highway gas station where you can just pull on in and pull on out. So that's where the McDonald's and the burrito place is, Guzman's. Although they're in different sections, but still on the same road. McDonald's just, you have to drive further. So if I'm feeling peckish, I might stop there, grab a bite. I might show like what I had in my, early in the video when I mentioned it. I don't think I'm going to make a full-fledged video on that. There's really no need. Because if I do stop there, I'd probably just get like a McSpicy burger and a sundae. Besides, let me know what the quality of last video was, like how it is. I recorded that all on my phone, and that's the thing. This camera is not good in low light situations, as you can see. I do get pretty dark, even when it's so light. My iPhone definitely does a way better job in low light. I need a better low light camera for that though. Oh, lens. This camera's really horse shit in low light. So, like, recording at night isn't even that good anyway. But yeah, basically done. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. Like and sub if you enjoyed. My tissues. Right. Yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. Like and sub if you want to see more. It is raining and it's thundering. Holy, can you hear that? Probably not. My camera's my mic doesn't really pick out. It has a noise filter, noise reduction, so probably can't hear that. Which is a good thing though, because if you could, then my voice would be less audible. So. But yeah, I'm gonna go to work now. I will sign off now while my camera is on the red stage and it might die soon, so yeah. Until next time.